Data warehouse functionality. Functionality that can be expected in any data warehouse, which is the pivot. Cross-tabulation is performed, also referred as rotation. Very similar to the pivot table that we are using in Excel, for example. Roll up, this is going bottom up. Data is summarized with increasing generalization, for example, weekly to quarterly to annually. It could be sales, it could be any number related measure. The opposite is drill down. We go from top down. Increasing level of detail are revealed as you go down. We also use this one in strategy drill down when we want to know more about what's happening in the operation that impacting the strategic KPI or objective, for example. Sorting, very similar sorting. Data is sorted by ordinal values as the querying person requires. Selection data is filtered by value or range, and this is very similar to also Excel when we do filter on top of the columns. Slice and dice projection operation are performed on the dimensions. You might select one region, you must select a certain range of time. Derived computed attributes. Attributes are computed by operations on stored and derived values. Data warehouse functionality. Let's talk about the pivot. The pivot operation in a data warehouse. This represents data in terms of region, for example, versus fiscal quarter by product like we just saw before. And this is very similar to doing a pivot table where you can change also the dimension in the way that you want it to be looked at. You can filter also the data as per the pivot design. I do recommend to use and to learn pivot tables in in Excel. Very handy to manipulate and play with the data as well. Another example about rollup. The rollup and below figure aggregate data for the product, for example, number 123 and 124 into 1XX, etc. So you can just say, give me any product starting with the 1 or the specific number. By region as well, you roll up everything for region number 1 in addition to product XX. Another example about the drill down, which is just the opposite. Drill down and below figure aggregate data. So in this case, you can expand aggregate data into a finer grained views like product into styles, vertically shown here in the figure. So you go from product to styles, A, B, C, D, or regions. We used to talk about whole region. Now we can talk about sub-regions.